I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing and placing the image on the canvas so you can work directly. Once placed, inspect whether the image sits inside a frame or as a standalone layer. Frames change how resizing behaves. Make sure Pixel Preview is on and set constraints to control behavior when the parent resizes. Now that fundamentals are set, select the image layer and prepare to commit to a sizing approach, either direct scaling or fitting inside a frame, so your next steps are precise. You'll now apply resizing methods depending on intent. If you need uniform scale, use the scale tool or drag corner handles while holding Shift to preserve aspect ratio. For non-uniform, drag freely. If you want to change the visible area, enter crop mode and adjust the frame. This keeps original image resolution intact. For responsive design, set constraints or use auto layout so the image adapts with its parent. Once done, inspect interpolation and pixel crispness to confirm visual fidelity. You'll finish by exporting and validating results so your resized image looks right in use. Choose an export scale like 1x or 2x and the proper format, SVG for vectors, PNG/JPEG for rasters, and then export. If the result appears blurry, make sure the original resolution is sufficient or swap to the original file. Vectors should remain sharp. If constraints or masks cause unexpected output, try flattening or replacing the image layer. One troubleshooting tip: check whether a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.